Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair with the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer. This is not a sponsored video. I got this as a Christmas gift from my wonderful sister. Thank you. And it's seriously changed my life. If you're somebody who likes to blow dry their hair or get blowouts, or if you blow dry it and then have to straighten it, or if you're somebody who likes to use a round brush with a blow dryer, this is literally that in one. All right, I'm just gonna get straight into the video. So I blow dried my bangs with a normal blow dryer and a round brush earlier because this is just way too big for me to like do the bangs. So if you have bangs, just keep that in mind. But yeah, I washed my hair a few hours ago and I let it air dry about 90%. So it's super frizzy. Also, I dyed my hair purple like not even a week ago and it's starting to fade out, so it's just super gray and weird looking, so ignore that. So my hair is about 90% dry and frizzy. This is just how my hair dries naturally. That's why I like to straighten it and style it. So I'm gonna use a heat protectant. This is the Got To Be Guardian Angel because this is a hot tool and the ceramic does heat up and can cause damage, so use a heat protectant. This smells good. Brush that through with my cow wet brush that I Sharpied on some cow print. And now the best way to use this is to section your hair. So I just start right above the ear, right here. Also, if I'm looking over here, not over here, it's because I'm using my phone and it's really distracting because my whole face is in the screen. Boom. Okay. This is what the blow dryer looks like. It has 3 settings, cool, low, and high, and all you do is just like turn this little thing that turns on. It's also super freaking loud, so I'm gonna have to like mute it and put music over it because listen, it's intense. So the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna start at the back here with a section like this. You can see it's still like pretty wet. I'm gonna use it on low just because my hair is mostly dry. But if it was like a bit on the wetter side, I would use high. And what you're gonna wanna do is, if you want volume, you're gonna wanna pull the hair up and as far away from your scalp as possible to get that volume and the tension. So I just start here, hold down the root for a little bit just to dry the roots. And then I pull and I'm twisting at the same time. I do that a few times until it's mostly dry. And then when it's like dry, I grab like this little thing because it's there for you to use. And I just keep twisting it. You can hold it, twist it, whatever. Don't hold it there too long because it is a hot tool. Let it go. And then when I let it go, I'm going to twist it like this because it's still hot and put it to the back. And then it'll kind of set in that twist and give like a curly effect. I don't know. It comes out different every time. Cue time lapse, montage, whatever. Okay, so I finished the under layer. I'm just gonna let it set like that, so I'm trying not to touch it. And what I do is I just clip them back so they're out of the way for the next layer so things don't get all like mixed up. My hair's turned like a weird lavender color and I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna do this next section. Hopefully you guys can see sort of the motion I'm doing. Second layer done. Gonna move the clip onto that layer. Take down some more. And now we're gonna do something a bit different with these sections and I'll show you. Some people bring their hair to like the front over their face to give volume, but I have bangs, so it doesn't really work that well for me. So I pull the hair like up and do it that way instead of pulling it forward over my face just because of the whole bang situation. Okay, oh, that is seriously such an arm workout. My hand is like fucking numb. Muscles wear. I'm gonna take these clips. Now, I do find that my hair gets a little bit frizzy with this thing. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I don't know, maybe I'm not even using it correctly. Who the heck knows? So what I do now is I'm gonna flip my hair. I'm talking so quiet, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and then flip it back. I don't really know what this accomplishes, but let's see. Okay, there's definitely a ton of volume. Oh my god. It looks good. It looks really good. I don't have any layers, so most of the like curl is at the very bottom, so you don't have much going on here except these front pieces. It's a bit on the frizzy side, but I have some products to help with that. You can use some hairspray. The Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Milk and White Jasmine one. It smells good. I love the smell of this. It smells so good. But I don't like the feeling of hairspray, so I never really use it. But then I also have this Bio Silk Silk Therapy Glow Serum. This is so great and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna put like the tiniest bit in my hair just to add some shine. And when I do this, I'm gonna twist it when I do it. Flatten out some of those frizzy bits. You see the difference? There's a huge difference. Look how shiny my hair looks now. Wow. And if you want, you can put some hairspray in, but like I said, I'm not gonna put hairspray in today just because I don't like the feeling of it. So I have a lot of hair. That's why it looks absolutely crazy on me. But like, if you're into the whole voluminous hair, my hands are so greasy from that stuff. The whole voluminous hair look, it would also look better if you didn't have patchy hair color like I do right now. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the hairstyle, or if you have a Revlon one-step blow dryer and if you like it, let me know. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and all my socials. I have an EP coming out on Spotify, Apple Music, and all those streaming platforms February 12th. Insert little promo video. Yeah, you guys should check out my music, check out my SoundCloud, and have a great day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.